That was an interesting documentary.
Yes, it was very interesting.
But I have to do my geography assignment now. Mfon, do you know how many geopolitical zones there are in Nigeria?
No, but we can find out. Let's check YouTube for Emysyn solutions tutorials. They should have something on the Nigerian geopolitical zones.
Okay, let's search YouTube for Emysyn solutions tutorial.
Scholars, I hope you're doing great. Today's lesson is on geography and our topic is Nigerian geopolitical zones. You already know that geography is the science which deals with the location of living and non-living things on Earth. There are 7 continents on Earth, and they are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. In Africa, which is the second largest continent, Nigeria stands tall in the west and is referred to as the Giant of Africa, owing to its economy and large population. The country Nigeria is divided into 36 states plus the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. These 36 states, including the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, are classified into 6 geopolitical zones, which are the South-South Zone. This zone has 6 states, namely Akwa Ibom, Bayelsa, Cross River, Delta, Edo, and Rivers states. Also, we have the Southeast Zone. There are 5 states here, and they are Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Imo states. Southwest Zone. Here there are 6 states, namely Ekiti, Lagos, Ogun, Ondo, Osun, and Oyo states. The Northeast Zone. This zone has 6 states, and they are Adamawa, Bauchi, Borno, Gombe, Taraba, and Yobe states. Northwest Zone. This consists of 7 states, and they are Jigawa, Kaduna, Kano, Katsina, Kebbi, Sokoto, and Zamfara states. The North Central Zone. This zone consists of 7 states, namely Benue, Kogi, Kwara, Nasarawa, Niger, and Plateau states, including the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja. Now let's do a quick recap of the 6 geopolitical zones in Nigeria. We said that there are 36 states plus the Federal Capital Territory, Abuja, and all these are classified into 6 geopolitical zones, which are the South-South Zone, the Southeast Zone, the Southwest Zone, the Northeast Zone, the Northwest Zone, and the North Central. I hope this video was enlightening. Check our YouTube channel for other tutorials. Keep yourself safe and stay tuned for our next class. Take care.